What up guys, it's Miguel here of YugaTech and I have the Galaxy A80 here with me today. The Galaxy A80 takes its design to another level with its great and premium look. Among the A series lineup, this is the largest and only device so far that sports the new Infinity Edge display. You get no obstructions on your screen with the help of this flippin' camera. The A80 is truly a unique looking phone, and for its build, we get a glossy 3D glass back topped with Gorilla Glass 6 with a metal frame. So no glass stick back for this guy, but it's still a fingerprint magnet nonetheless. The A80 is thick and heavy compared to conventional smartphones of today. The unit we have is in the Phantom Black color, but there's also an Angel Gold variant if you're interested. The main attraction of this device is the motorized sliding component that houses the rotating triple cameras. The twist here is that these lenses serve as both the rear and front-facing cameras. Honestly, it's kind of addicting to just play around with it. Just look at that. On the right side, you'll see the power button, which is clicky and tactile, while on the left, you'll find the volume buttons. But wait, no Bixby button? Good job, Samsung. But with the off chance you're a Bixby user, you do have the option to enable it using the power key. Found on top is a noise cancelling mic for speakerphone. At the bottom, you get a single downward firing speaker, microphone for regular calls, USB Type-C port, and a dual SIM card tray. Overall, the Galaxy A80 looks elegant and feels premium. It's 9.3mm thick because of the motorized camera mechanism, but my main concern with this and all pop-up selfie cameras will have to be the durability. I mean, this flipping camera really isn't comforting, especially when it makes this sound every time it flips to the front. I'll let you guys listen to this now. Moving on to display. You get a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED New Infinity Edge display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080, protected with Gorilla Glass 3. You get deep blacks, colors are vibrant, and the brightness is really good. Viewing under direct sunlight is no sweat. Nothing surprising from a AMOLED panel. When it comes to media consumption, the A80 is great. You get a big display with no obstructions, and it is a treat. As for audio, despite its single speaker at the bottom, the loudness and quality are pretty good, but unsurprisingly, there's a lack in the low end. The Dolby Atmos feature is a great addition if you're on your headset a lot. If you want to use your favorite wired earphones, there's no 3.5mm audio jack on this guy, but you do get an adapter in the box. For software, we get One UI skinned on top of Android 9 Pie. The interface is simple, clean, and organized. It's smooth and easy to navigate, and it works very well with the A80's large screen. Having dark mode on is also great for this AMOLED panel as it saves on power consumption as well. Powering the Galaxy A80 is a Snapdragon 730 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. In day-to-day use, the Galaxy A80 easily handles basic tasks such as messaging, reading, browsing the web, checking social media, and even heavy gaming. For benchmarks, we got some really good results for this phone, flashing them on screen now. For security, it has an optical in-display fingerprint scanner, which is pretty slow. Sometimes it won't recognize my fingerprint, other times I have to keep my thumb on the scanner for like 2 seconds. And I know it doesn't sound like much, but honestly, it is. It didn't even register. There we go. Now, taking a look at battery life, we get a 3700 mAh battery with 25W fast charging. In the PCMark battery test, we got a result of 8 hours and 37 minutes, while in our standard video loop test, which involves looping a 1080p video at 50% brightness, 50% volume, headphones plugged in, and airplane mode turned on, we got 15 hours and 10 minutes of total playback. Now, let's take a closer look at the Galaxy A80's flipping camera. The triple camera setup is composed of a 48MP main shooter, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a third time-of-flight 3D depth sensing camera. Photos taken during the day look good, the images produced have good contrast and vibrant colors, details are present, and there's just about the right amount of sharpness to the images. For selfies, obviously we can expect the exact same image quality. Enough said. For low lighting conditions, photos are okay. If you switch to night mode, the results become better, but it's still struggling with noise, and overall, the image appears a bit soft. In portrait mode, or live focus as Samsung likes to call it, whether it's rear or selfie, subject background separation is great. Video-wise, the A80 can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second, but something that I personally love to use is that super steady feature, which isn't available when shooting in 4K. So you'll have to bump down to a full HD resolution to experience that Samsung stabilization magic. I guess something that is annoying for users we don't know about is, when turned on, we don't get any prompt that the resolution gets bumped down. Now, to conclude this video, we gotta talk about price. The Samsung Galaxy A80 retails for 34,990 pesos. And for this price, you get that new Infinity Edge display and a flippy camera module. The device still lacks flagship features like wireless charging, stereo speakers, or waterproofing, though the latter is to be expected given the moving parts. I also find that rotating camera mechanism questionable, as only time can tell how good the durability really is. But so far, it really isn't that bad. Users expecting to purchase this phone can expect great performance, good battery life, no expandable storage, no 3.5mm audio jack, and a really good display that we all so love so much. So that's it for this video, guys. This is the Galaxy A80 again. Let us know what you guys think of it in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of future uploads. Be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.